certified. 2023 Nissan Pathfinder SL 4WD Obsidian Green Pearl Nissan certified pre-owned details, 7 years /100,000 miles limited warranty, coverage for engine, transmission, transfer case, and drivetrain 167-point inspection to qualify vehicle history report fix or repair items that don't pass or meet CPO standards. Special APR financing for well-qualified buyers. Lube/oil/filter change tires and brakes 50% or more. Full exterior/interior appearance reconditioning courtesy transportation. 24-hour roadside assistance SiriusXM trial. Subscription.Service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000-mile synthetic oil change. Replaced air filter, replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies. Balance and rotate tires. 4WD, Bose Audio System, NissanConnect Navigation.2025 City/Highway MPG.